Okay.
When we have, for example, a table like this one, which represents income and consumption for different years, we see that in the first column, we have alphanumeric values that represent they are headers to identify the data, so that Excel doesn't get lost and also presents it graphically. The simplest thing to do is to tell it to insert a chart. For example, columns, and with these data so that it can see. So Excel is going to make a decision to represent, for example, in this case, 6 data. 6 pairs of data. They are grouped 2 by 2 from 1970 to 1975. I might want to change between rows and columns. That is, change the direction of the graph. Instead of representing 6 groups of 2 data, I might want to represent 2 groups of 6 data with the same amount of data, logically. Excel by default does it one way, but it is very for me to change it and tell it that instead of representing rent and consumption, I want it to represent rent on the one hand and consumption on the other. Logically, in this case, the legend, what it tells us, is that every color is assigned to each of the different years, because what I want is to calculate the curve of each of them. In this case, we have this option both here directly within the data group change, or also if I am altering the data, I see that I could also have done it by clicking this button here, where we have the rest of the options to add data to the series.